Gold Star Mobile Service and Refrigeration, LLC. Got a lift gate not working. It goes, that one not working. So I'm thinking it's a switch on there. It's a Walco lift gate, Dollar General trailer. So we thinking that that motor is not being activated. So we'll see. We'll put that switch on there. And we'll see. We'll see what we got. I think we gotta follow that wire with that switch. We changed the switch. We'll see what it do. Gotta get inside the box and everything. So yeah, we'll be back. Show you what we got. Gold Star Mobile.